Threaded Treasures Art presents Kawaii baby elephants floating in a magical blue underwater world with golden bokeh lights. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new collection. A delightful tea party scene with adorable elephants bathed in warm golden hues. Soft pastel safari patterns that bring gentle charm to any creative project. Picture these playful elephants adorning your nursery curtains. Each tile features a unique Kawaii elephant design, seamlessly tiling at 300 dpi. Sweet elephant dreams for the perfect bedding collection. Safari cuteness overload! Golden safari vibes make these patterns truly shine. Stunning detail in every brushstroke of this elephant collection. Your morning coffee deserves a touch of Kawaii elephant magic. 9 unique seamless designs with 0 repetition. Adorable baby outfits featuring safari elephant prints your little one will love. Imagine these patterns gracing your fabric printing projects. Carry the Kawaii elephant spirit on your favorite accessories. So many ways to create. A whimsical elephant paradise for nursery decor enthusiasts. Contrasting designs side by side reveal the collection's full range. Warm lamplight illuminates these enchanting elephant scenes. Perfect for print-on-demand products and creative entrepreneurs. Transform your walls into a baby elephant wonderland. Beach accessories come alive with these playful safari animals. The complete collection, ready for your next creative adventure. Grab yours now, link in bio.